God says, your faith has made you well. Not because the pain was small, not because the struggle was easy, but because you chose to believe even when everything around you told you not to. I saw you when hope felt distant, when healing seemed delayed, when answers did not come quickly. You prayed, and then you waited. You waited through silence. You waited through disappointment. You waited through moments when others moved on while you remained in the same place. But you stayed faithful. Your faith was not loud. It was not perfect. It did not remove fear instantly. Yet it endured. You woke up each day carrying questions in your heart, wondering if things would ever change, wondering if I still heard you. And I did. Your faith was not built on what you saw. It was built on what you trusted. It stood when emotions shifted. It held on when strength faded. You reached out even when you felt unworthy. You believed even when doubt whispered loudly. That is faith. Faith does not deny pain. It chooses hope despite it. There were moments you wanted to stop believing, moments you felt overlooked, moments you wondered why healing seemed to come to everyone else first. But listen to me now. Delay was not denial. Silence was not absence. Waiting was not punishment. I was working where you could not see. Your faith was shaping you long before it healed you. It was teaching you patience. It was deepening your trust. It was strengthening your spirit for what was coming next. Because healing is not always instant. Sometimes it is intentional. You asked me to remove the pain. I first taught you how to endure. You asked me for answers. I gave you peace. Not because I ignored your request, but because peace would carry you until healing arrived. Your faith kept you coming back when discouragement tried to push you away. It kept you praying when results were delayed. It kept your heart open when bitterness tried to settle in. And I saw it all. Every quiet prayer, every tear-filled night, every moment you chose trust over fear. That is why I say, your faith has made you well. Not just your body, not just your situation, but your heart. Because true healing begins inside. Your faith healed the places that anger could not reach. It restored hope where disappointment once lived. It rebuilt confidence where rejection tried to settle. You are not the same person you were when this journey began. You are stronger, more compassionate, more grounded. What once broke you no longer defines you. There were days you felt weak for still believing. But faith is not weakness. Faith is courage in its purest form. You trusted me without guarantees. You followed me without seeing the full path. That kind of faith changes everything. You thought healing meant the removal of struggle, but healing also means freedom from fear, freedom from shame, freedom from the weight you carried silently. I did not just heal your wound, I restored your dignity. You no longer have to live under the shadow of what hurt you. You no longer have to define yourself by what went wrong. Your faith lifted you out of survival mode and into purpose. Now others will look at your life and see evidence of hope. Not because you never struggled, but because you never stopped believing. Your story will remind them that faith still heals, that trust still restores, that hope still lives. You may not feel completely healed yet, but healing has begun, and what has begun will be completed. Your faith opened the door. I did the work beyond it. Continue walking forward. Do not return to fear. Do not replay old doubts. Do not question what I have already touched. Stand firm in what I have done. Your faith has made you well. It has aligned your heart. It has steadied your mind. It has restored your hope. And as you move ahead, you will notice something new. Peace where anxiety once lived. Strength where weakness once ruled. Confidence where fear once spoke. That is the mark of healing. You are not healed to return to the same life. You are healed to walk into a new one. A life led by trust. A life guided by faith. A life no longer controlled by what once held you back. So walk forward, live freely, believe deeply, because your faith did not just bring healing, it transformed you. And what I have made well will continue to grow, strengthen, and testify far beyond this moment. My work in you is unfolding in ways you cannot yet perceive. It is moving in silence, weaving threads of purpose through the unseen spaces of your life. I am aligning circumstances, placing people, and orchestrating events so that what appears ordinary now will become extraordinary later. Do not measure my timing by human clocks. Do not doubt my plan because it seems slow. I am not constrained by your expectations. I am not limited by what you can see. The strength I have built within you cannot be broken by trials or setbacks. The hope I have placed in your heart cannot be stolen by fear or disappointment. The faith that carried you through the night is preparing you for the dawn. You may feel as though nothing has changed. You may wonder if your prayers went unheard. You may question whether your endurance matters. Listen carefully. Every tear you have shed has been noticed. Every prayer you whispered in silence has been recorded. Every act of obedience, no matter how small, has been multiplied in my kingdom. Your healing is not only physical or emotional, it is spiritual. It is eternal. It is laying a foundation for generations yet to come. Do not fear what lies ahead. Do not cling to what is comfortable merely because it is familiar. I am preparing you to step into new assignments, new opportunities, new seasons where your influence will expand and your testimony will shine. Your faith has opened doors that cannot be seen with mortal eyes. Your perseverance has created pathways where doubt once blocked the way. Your trust has aligned you with my perfect will, and nothing can reverse what I have set in motion. Some of you will face challenges,